Hello.
Show. We are
Hello.
here for Jump Pow. This is
Jump
a very good
Jump
place
Pow.
for Jump Pow.
Jump off.
Eat here, you will
Hi.
feel very good.
Hello everyone.
Somebody can.
We are here at Gung The Palace, a Korean restaurant in Green Park in New Delhi. After the onset of Hallyu Wave, it has always been my dream to visit a Korean restaurant, and here we are at Gung The Palace.
With our school friends.
Meet my friends,
After a
Sahil
long time.
and
We are
Vaibhav.
enjoying our holy holiday.
Say hi.
Hi.
So here we are to taste some amazing and beautiful food. So let's start. Well, here are the two dishes. This is janpo, this one, and this one is tteokbokki. And here's my friend.
Seafood jump off.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys, this is seafood janpo. And here's Vaibhav Bharana, our guide to Korean food.
Baby 날 터질 것처럼 난 저기만 생각해 뭐가 그리 어려워 거짓말처럼 키스해줘 데려가 지금 이 순간에 새빨간 저 하늘이 춤출 때 돌고 돌아 너와 나 이곳은 발라 찬양하라 손은 내밀어줘 save me save me I need your love before 그 손을 내밀어줘 save me save me
ਆਇਆ ਬੰਦੇ ਉੱਠਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਮਿੰਟੋ ਮਿੰਟ ਪੱਟ ਹੱਸ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਤੰਗ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿੰਟ ਚ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਤੰਗ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਦੱਸ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਗੈਂਗ